Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager with WordPress website and how to enable data layer. By the end of this video, you will understand how to connect Google Tag Manager with WordPress website and how to enable data layer. Before we start, make sure you have a Google Tag Manager account. So let's get started. As you can see, right now I have my Google Tag Manager dashboard and also I have a WordPress website. So first of all, you need to create a Google Tag Manager account, and then we need to go our WordPress website. Then we need to install a plugin. That's why I'm click the plugin option, and here after that I click add plugin. Here we need to search our plugin name. I'm search the plugin name GTM kit and press enter button. As you can see, here have some plugin. So we will ignore all plugin and just install this GTM kit plugin. Okay, so I'm clicking here. So my plugin is already installed. Just need to activate. So I'm click the activate button. So our plugin is already activate. So right now we need to configure our plugin, our WordPress website with Google Tag Manager. Okay, so that's why we need to go our plugin setting option. So I'm click here and ignore this. Then we need to copy our Google Tag Manager container code. That's why I am click this option and copy this code. I just copy this code and again back our website, and then click setup option. Then you can see here some option. So we need to paste our container code here. So I am paste here our container code, and then click this save button. Okay, after that we need to go the integration option. Okay, I'm click here and you can see here one option named WooCommerce. So we need to click here. As you can see, my WooCommerce is already activate, but if you first enable this, so you can see here deactivate. So you need to click the configure option, then the toggle option you will enable, then save changes. Okay, then we need to go the event and data layer option. Then we need to enable the user data, enable our user data. That's why we need to enable this option, then save changes. Okay, already we have complete our data layer enable. Okay, so right now we need to check our data layer completely enable or not. So that's why I am click the preview option, and here paste my website URL, then click connect option. Then after that need to go back the tag assistant option. You can see our data layer is already enabled, and our Google Tag Manager and website is connected properly. So right now I am purchase a product. So when I view this product, our view content events is come here, and also we can see every events and parameters. Then when I add to cart this product, we will see the add to cart event on the data layer. As you can see, the add to cart events is come here properly, and also every parameters. And when I click proceed to checkout, as well as we will see the checkout event. Okay, as you can see, the checkout event is already fired. And then when I complete the billing details and click the place order button, the purchase event is fired on the data layer. Okay, as you can see, the purchase event is fired data layer. That means our Google Tag Manager and website successfully connected, and our data layer is work properly. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. In the next video, we will cover how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. Thanks for watching. See you in the next